Hi, my name is Jay and this is my charger. Or probably you want to see a different one. Also, this is my charger. This time is 1973 Dodge Charger SE Broadcom with 440 in it and automatic gearbox. Right, we can talk a little bit about the car. It's 1973 Dodge Charger SE with 440 and automatic trans. Right, engine is not original to the car. From factory it came with 400 cubic inches, but now someone, I don't know who, installed this 440 from 1977. It has aftermarket header block, intake and Holley carburetor. It has power brakes and power steering, electric power steering. Also it has the MSD, aftermarket radiator and temp gauge. What I heard is quite rare. I installed Dixie horn as well and some LED lights in front with halo rings for Bluetooth, and what I can see, I replaced the whole electric in it. And that is aftermarket LED lights from Wieland. They are designed for 2014 Challengers. I retrofitted them. I had to modify a little bit bumper because I want to bring it closer to the body. Originally they got massive gap, about 3 fingers more or less. That's what I changed. There was lots of cutting, lots of fabrication and installing wires and everything like that. Here, as you can see, I've got quite massive leak from a pan in an engine, and it is leaking. I have to address that soon. I've got next week booked garage for it. There is some, you can see, a bit of rust, but that is normal in the cars like that. It's nothing major. Right, as you can see that I put whole new wire system, wire looms and everything. Right, I'm still under testing. I've got lots of paperwork, lots of different ones, because I did not bought dedicated for the charger, just the aftermarket one. 21 looms, universal one for GM and Mopars. I can say about this car. That is 1973 Dodge Charger SE Broadham. It has 440 in it, but factory that was 400 cubic inches engine, and I have 3-speed automatic gearbox. I call it 7-7 with pistol grip, and I have rally dash, one sport mirror only. I want to find the other one to passenger side to be driving easier in UK. At the moment I have this car for 3.5 years. I bought it fresh import from US. I am first owner in UK, and I had it, well, I enjoyed it 1 year, and after 1 year it starts showing his bad points, and I started replacing what I could in my budget. At the moment I'm playing with I finished with electric, or almost finished. I replaced it whole electric for new one, and I'm testing some of the features of it, and soon I will put maybe today I will try to sand the dash and paint it, and later on I will want to install it and finish all electric side, and then start doing the other needs, especially what you can see, bodywork needs to be addressed. One arch, it's giving up. The car, that is not original color. Original color that was blue, but quite a long time I think was repainted, because I see two layers of the paint. One is orange, a little bit older, and then on top of that was fresher paint, what I've got now, but it's showing some bad points that need to be, probably I would like to repaint it someday. Yeah, everything depends from the money.